To mount the ZED2 crankset on the frame, start by greasing the bearing housing, like you've greased the crankset and the bottom bracket. It's important to grease the housing where the bearing will be fitted. Then, take the ZED2 crankset, place it through the right-hand side of the frame, and put it in position. Take the flat gasket, making sure the flange is in contact with the bearing. Take the bolt on which you first placed the bolt mounting tool and applied Loctite on the screw. Put everything through the left crank. Mount the bolt on the crankset. Untighten the bolt screw to take the small tool out. Tighten up the bolt so it's completely locked on the bottom bracket. Your crankset is now mounted onto the frame.